Welcome back to today's morning report on Monday, the 2nd of November, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now, and we're sort of stuck in this little consolidation band, really. I mean, generally speaking, we're in a trading band between 118 towards 121.70, but now, just recently in the past week or so, we've sort of become sort of stuck between sort of 120.15 up towards 121.50. So only about 135 ticks of range there in the past week, or week or so. And it's interesting to see what actually this results in, because at the moment this is merely a consolidation, not really a massive sense. I mean, earlier today I was looking at the morning report. I was thinking, well, maybe those stochastics are beginning to roll over, but it's sort of more like just a sort of consolidation, really. There's no major signals either way at the moment. Here we go on the hourly chart. And you see more of a neutral configuration there. You've got the RSI between 30 and 70 there or thereabouts. You've got the MACD lines which are sort of fluctuating around. So there's no real sort of sense of direction at the moment. Now, breakdown below 120.15 would actually complete a small top pattern, not a massive one. But it would sort of start to reverse this rally higher. You'd certainly say that this 1960 pivot level is probably the first target you'd talk about, because that is an important level on sort of near to medium term basis, certainly within this range. So it likely would be, if you sort of if you saw a break of that 120.15 support, then you'd be back at 119.60. But again, it's sort of range bound, and it's not really showing too much in sense of decisive direction. So you're sort of still looking out for the next signal. And the only reason why I pretty much started to allude to maybe a bit of a correction on this chart was the fact that we had this sort of corrective candle on Friday, a little bit of a negative open on the dollar yen today. So nothing massively positive in terms of the continuation of this move higher in the offing, and it was looking like these momentum indicators were rolling over. So just slightly I'm sort of bordering on a tendency towards a retracement back towards that 1960 pivot band, but again, it's not really massively decisive in terms of the signals that you're getting off this chart. So you're pretty much waiting for the next signal, but with that in mind, you'd sort of probably start to maybe even trade this range perhaps above 120.15, because it's so tight and it's been around for the last 6 days. But with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.